The reason you are not getting these chat moderation accounts or transcription accounts is simply because you don't know how to apply. You see, each time I upload a new video here about a new site hiring, I get several people telling me that, I applied, I did not get the account, and so they assume these sites either are not legit or they are not hiring. But one thing I must tell you is that I only post legit sites that are hiring. So whenever you see me post a video, just know the site is legit and it's hiring. And the reason most of you are not getting these accounts is simply because you don't know how to apply. So in this video, I'll take you through how to apply for chat moderation and transcriptions account. Let's start with chat moderation. Chat moderation is one of the easiest online job you can do. It is one of the easiest jobs that you can start with no skills. It's beginner friendly, and most of these chat moderation companies will give you an orientation, so you don't even need to get training before you start doing chat moderation. So you can just go straight, apply for an account. Once you get an account, you'll get an orientation and you can start working immediately. So there are so many chat moderation companies hiring, like Cloud Workers, eModerators, Texting Factory, Remotely for You, Chat from Home. So there are so many accounts that you can apply for. But the reason most of you are not getting this account is because you don't know that most of these accounts do not hire from Africa. From all the accounts I have said above, only Cloud Workers that hires directly from Africa. So like if you go to Cloud Workers, you can apply as a Kenyan with your Kenyan ID without masking your location, and you'll still get accepted. But the rest, you need to mask your location because they are not hiring from Africa. With eModerators, they don't hire directly from Kenya, but their application is not that complicated. But when you go to accounts like Texting Factory, Remotely for You, Chat from Home, they don't hire from Africa. You must mask your location. So when applying for these accounts, what you need is to mask your location using a proxy, an anti-detect browser. There are so many proxies in the market, but personally, I have used IP Royal for the longest time and it has served me right. I've never had an issue with leaking. So I would recommend you to buy it, but if not, there are so many other proxies that you can buy. Some are expensive, some are of the same price, so you just do your research and find a proxy that works for you. So if you want to buy IP Royal, what you're going to do, you'll go to Google and type IP Royal. Then you're going to, if you have an account, you're going to log in. Like in my case, I'm going to log in, but if you don't have an account, you're going to sign up. So when you sign up, this is the dashboard you are going to get. So personally, I've been using a residential proxy, so you'll just come here and click buy now and follow the process. Once you get a proxy, you are also going to need an anti-detect browser. Remember, we are trying to mask our location completely. We don't want anything to leak. So we also need to use an anti-detect browser on top of a proxy to make sure that our location cannot leak. So for an anti-detect browser, there are several of them. There is Go Logging, but personally I use Mologging Anti-Detect Browser. So to install, you'll just go to Google and type Mologging Anti-Detect Browser, download the app and install it on your laptop. Once you have installed, your dashboard should look like this. So to add a proxy, you're going to come here. You see here it's written start. You're going to click these three dots. Click edit profile. So this is where you're going to add all the details of the proxy. All these details you're going to find at IP Royal. So you're going to copy. So because we are adding a proxy, you're going to come here, add new proxy, add all the details here. I have said all these details you're going to copy from IP Royal, and then you're going to confirm. Once you confirm, now your proxy is ready. It's going to indicate here ready, and the other information is going to appear here. So from there, you're going to click start. So now you're going to browse from within this app, not Google. Now that we are done masking our location, so we have changed our location maybe from Kenya to the UK, from Nigeria to the US, the next step is to verify the account. To verify the account, you're going to need documents. So maybe you're going to need an ID or a driving license. But like I said, these guys are not hiring from Africa. So if you're in Kenya, you cannot use your ID. If you're in South Africa, you cannot use your ID. So what are you supposed to do? One thing you can do is you can ask someone who is in the US or the UK to help you with the verification process. If you don't have anyone, what you're going to do is find yourself a US or UK driving license. I'm not going to go into specific of how to find a USDL, but you can check on TikTok. Just go to TikTok, search how, or maybe USDL, something like that, and you're going to find that information there. So once you have that driving license, that's what you're going to use to verify the account. Make sure that when you're verifying this account, you have masked your location, and always make sure you verify that the location is not leaking, because at the end of the day, these proxies sometimes do leak. Yes, you can have the proxy, you have the logging anti-detect browser, but still it's possible for them to leak. So always make sure that you have verified that the proxy is not leaking before you go through the verification process. So once you get the DL, now go ahead, verify the account, and that's it. Make sure that the person you are buying from is legit. You can always check their videos. Avoid these guys that come to other people's comment section telling you that they are selling these things. Avoid those guys, because most probably they are cons, but there are many legit dealers I know on TikTok that do sell those DL. So just go check them out. And now when you have these three things, you can go ahead and apply for any chat moderation account. Just make sure the location is not leaking, and I can guarantee you are going to get an account. One thing you have to know is even if you apply for the first time and you get rejected, just go create a new email, apply again, apply like several times. Do not apply one time, because sometimes the applications are rejected by AI. So it's not like you made a mistake, it's just because it was at the wrong time, it met the wrong person. So just keep applying. So even if you get rejected the first time, go apply again and again. Like I have told you in this channel before, that before I got my first Cloud Workers account, I applied 10 times. I got my account the 10th time. So even with Akina Texting Factory, although they are easy to get, if you have international details, like I have said, and you're not leaking the location, probably you'll get the first 5 times you're going to get an account. So just go keep applying until you get an account. So now let's talk about transcription. Transcription is a bit different from chat moderation. Most people fail transcription not because of their location, but because they don't know how to do the transcription test. So before you start, you go to apply for a transcription account, my advice is to first learn how to transcribe. Please stop coming to my inbox asking me for answers for all these transcription account. I cannot have all those answers. Like I have Transcribe Me, I have Go Transcript, I have staff transcription, etc. I cannot have all those answers. Again, for most of these accounts, they always change the test. The test you'll find like this week is not the test you're going to find next week. So it's impossible for me to keep on doing these tests all the time. Last week, I had answers for Compostly, Compostly writing account. So if you have applied for Compostly lately and you want the answers for the test, you can inbox me. I do have the answers for Compostly, but these were answers for art per last week. So if they've changed their test this week, then those answers will not be valid. So for a transcription, you need to first learn how to do transcription. Go on YouTube. There are so many guys training people on how to do transcriptions. I cannot come here now again and start training you on how to do transcription, etc. Go on YouTube, check how people learn how to transcribe, then go do the test. Again, transcription is better done when you have headphones. Because when you go to listen with earphones, most likely you're not going to hear the exact words that were said. Also, it's better done on a laptop But you can see, if you have headphones, you can still do it on phone, but it's better done on a laptop. If you don't have headphones, it will be almost impossible to pass that test because you're not going to hear what they are saying. So before you commit to doing transcription, one of the tools you're going to need is headphones and a laptop. So just first buy headphones before you come to start doing this test. Another thing, always, instead of transcribing from scratch, you're going to use tools like Rev AI, but you must note that although these AI tools are very good and they can transcribe, they are not always accurate. You need to listen well and edit your transcript according to the company's guideline, because at the end of the day, if these tools could transcribe, these companies would not be hiring. You should know that. If like Transcribe Me knows that Rev AI can transcribe that transcript well, then they should not be hiring you to go and transcribe the transcript for them. They should just be buying the software and start doing it themselves. So just know that these AI tools are not accurate. In fact, they are around 60 to 70% accurate. So always listen well, edit the transcript well, take your time, learn how to edit transcript, learn how to do transcription, go through the guidelines and learn how to do it correctly. And like I said with chat moderation, do not apply just once and give up. You need to apply multiple times. It's almost impossible to apply for an account and get one immediately unless you are very lucky. You need to apply multiple times. Also, you need to change the email. Do not apply multiple times from the same email address. They're going to catch you. So what you're going to do is each time you're applying, you need to create a new Gmail account. And when you're applying for native accounts is these US, UK, Canada accounts. You need to make sure that the Gmail you're using is a native Gmail. So when you're creating your Gmail account, you need to have your proxy on. And that's, guys, are the basics of getting this chat moderation and transcription account. If you have any question, please ask down below and I'll see you in the next video.